Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you are all fine. I am also fine. Today in this video I will gonna show you how to trade on bingx. This is also a platform of footballers. This you will see that press at fingerprint success and yeah. Uh, I am also verified on bingx. I will see you. This is my personal information. These are my personal information. Verification authenticated. Yes, authenticated. Verification. I am. Verification successful. Yes, I am verified in bingx. So there are also trade of futures sports. This is like BitGet market. These are market for analysis of all currencies: IQ, AR, WIF, Sony, Pika, Flux, everything. IQ, yeah. BTC, ETH, WLDR percentage, and this is I think copy trading. This is copy trading. Copy these successful trader, and this is the assets page. These are our assets page. Withdraw, deposit, transfer, convert. These are those. There are two options: future and spot trading. We click on future trading. Future trading is different from the spot trading. I will see you that there is leverage percentage 10, 20, 30. How much this is? 10 is best leverage. Leverage for short and long equal. 10 is best. Isolated is best. Yes. Goes cross in cross. All the portfolio are being established in it, but in isolated only we want to invest. These are only invested. Limit. These are limited how much we want to sell. If we want that Bitcoin value 65,000 automatically buy, then we select on limit type 60,000 and then increase decrease these how many percent I want to buy, or if we want to buy market how many percent I want. This is where to buy market close market limit. If we want to sell at limit price, then I want, if we want to sell, then it's 65,000, then it's like 65,000, and this is auto. And how much percent I want to sell as and how much percent I want to sell, I sell. Or if we want to sell at market price, then select market price, and how many percent I want to sell. Then spot trading, I select spot there. I am new in bingx, so they are give and the tutorials. Next. Okay, this is different from future trades. Like if you want to limit order, then BTC percentage, how much BTC I want to buy, limit order or market limit order. I select limit order, and I want my Bitcoin is automatically buy. Then I select I 60,000 amount of Bitcoin under almost 100%. Then total Bitcoin this is. And then if we want to sell, then click on sell. If we want to sell limit, then limit. And if we want to sell that when it is reaches 65, automatically sell, then select the 65,000, then buy. And if we want to buy market price, then we select market price, and in this case we sell a market price and buy and same market price. Okay, going back, there are the wealth. There is wealth option, being X wealth. I will see that what is the wealth option, what is the wealth being. Okay, let's see. Shark fin flexible term. These are, if we want to subscribe we intend, but these are harm or featured also haram. Invite one copy trading. Click on copy trading. These are successful cases. If I want to copy and earn money, then we select any of the can copy them. Okay. And click on more deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert. If you want to deposit, then USDT BTC, how much going which was going to deposit, they deposit in it. There is, I think there is P2 trading also. Okay, buy 1.028, 1.028. These are the prices of the cryptos. Buy, sell at $2. Sell at $2. I don't understand this guy. If I buy $1.02, $10, and if I sell these, they give me $2 per Okay, okay, I understand these things, I understand these things. Okay, let me talk about this is sports. This is a countdown when this coin launches. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. We will see you at next video.